Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a module in Python which you can directly use for Google Translate features. And the nice thing about this module is that it, it actually provides you with all the Google Translate features without any API key. So it's completely free. You can use it for unlimited usage. The module is pip install m translate. So just execute this command on the command line, pip install m translate. So this is the third party module. Simply install this and it will install this module on your machine. So it will hardly take 5 seconds. And after that, I will show you the script here that I written right here. You can have any text right here in any language. So this text is there in the English language, so we are translating it to all the different languages, as you can see: German, French, Spanish, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, Russian, Italian, Portuguese. So we declare this object here, so one by one. So if I run the script right here, python app.py, so what you will see right here, it will translate the text one by one. So if I enter it, you will see this is the original text, and one by one, as you can see here, it is translating the text here in different languages. So we see the original text, and so these are the translated text in different languages. So now to get started, let me show you the I will write this code step by step and then explain to you what. So just make a simple app.py file, and first of all we just need to require this module. So we simply say from mtranslate, we need to import the translate function. So in this way you can actually import this. After that, we actually provide whatever text that you want to translate. So I will say my name is Gautam and I am a software developer. So you write your text that needs to be translated, and then we declare the set of languages in object here, right here. So you just require the 2-letter digit code of each language. So you can even add more languages right here. Just add the language name plus the 2-letter digit country or language code. So you can see that. So we added these languages. After that, we simply run, we provide, we print out the original text. Then we simply run a for loop. So this for loop will basically loop through all the languages that we have inside this object one by one, and then it is using this translate module that right here that we imported. If you see, we imported this translate module, so it is using it, and this function takes 3 arguments. First of all, the text that needs to be translated. Secondly, the language code. This is actually the language code for each language. If you see Russian, Arabic, so we are passing it. Then the third option is the English language that the text is originally in. So then we basically show the translated text. So this is really easy now. So if I show you, if I run this Python script, original text that you see, and then you see the text in different languages. So if you are building any sort of application related to translating of languages, then you can use this module completely free. It provides you with Google Translate features for completely free. As you can see, we haven't used any API key, but still we actually use this module, the Google Translate features. So you can do this unlimited number of times, so there is no kind of restriction right here, and it's completely free. So in this way you can integrate your Google Translate API inside Python. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, and also I will be seeing you in the next video.